Welcome to Garlock's state-of-the-art clean room facility in upstate New York. This new space supports the precision manufacturing of WavePro products. Designed to ISO standards, the clean room maintains tight process control to ensure the highest levels of quality and purity. Within this facility, a cold room enhances efficiency and ensures material compliance from raw ingredients to finished products. The clean room empowers WavePro to confidently meet and exceed challenging customer requirements with agility. Advanced measurement systems and meticulous material traceability eliminate uncertainty, guaranteeing precision and repeatability throughout the manufacturing process. As RF engineers pioneer future technologies, WavePro shapes the next generation of material science, producing high-performance dielectric materials in a specialized facility like no other. Experience better RF performance with WavePro.